It all started out when me and my colleagues were talking about the upcoming motorcycling season. Soon we were brainstorming what kind of modification would be needed, how would I be able to ride my bike. Ideas kept coming. You put 5 engineers on one table, things get crazy. We kept trying and we figured it out somehow.
Hello, this is Johannes and Iikka from Etteplan's AM design team behind the latest success story, Ulla Kuljus seat.
Now you might wonder who is Ulla Kuljus and what is this mysterious seat you see here on the table. So Ulla is one of our mechanical engineers working in Etteplan, and a few years ago she had this dream of becoming a racing driver with motorcycles. Now Ulla is unfortunately a paraplegic, and that means that she needs a wheelchair to move around. And if you put a person who normally sits on a wheelchair on a motorcycle, the situation is that they give quite a lot of advantage to their rivals because they can't move their weight on the turns to the sides. And that's why this seat design has been made. Ulla had this idea of this moving seat already earlier, but unfortunately using traditional technologies she couldn't make it become into reality. Etteplan is Ulla's main sponsor, and that's why it was only natural to help her out in this difficult task and by utilizing additive manufacturing.
The design was made with functionality first, and by utilizing new degrees of freedom in additive manufacturing, we were able to create a really clever structure inside the seat. And we have a patent pending, which is a proof of that. This is actually quite interesting because same things apply also with traditional industry, and those cases also end up quite often to be patented. At this point, there are still plenty of new undiscovered opportunities to be found, and in certain cases this can be a real game changer and a way to gain competitive advantages.
So here we have Ulla's new seat that we have designed. It can move forwards and backwards and also to the sides. It has actually been made with only one go, so you can't disassemble this. The springs have been printed separately because different tracks require different sets of springs, and they are placed inside the seat.
After said that, you can place those springs inside the seat only if you have the springs with you. Luckily, 3D printing enables local production or digital production, and you can see one spare part case we have done from the link below.
And how did the seat perform? Have a look.